All right, what's going on, everybody? Seven Chop Balls Love here. Welcome back to another video, another show, another episode. A few things that I want to cover today, and then that just happened over the past week and two here. We are starting the video today inside because it's cold as hell outside right now, and as we speak, it is -4 right now outside. And that's not including wind chill. So the temp outside right now in Minnesota and the Twin Cities here is in the negatives. So just want to start inside. Just going to give you a little update here. I have 2 birds that just came in the mail. As you can see, and I'll show you guys these 2 birds in a bit. One is from a very good friend of mine, Joe Namelka. The other is from a buddy I just met from Fresno, Cali. And we're going to be doing a joint mating this year. And these empty boxes here, as you can see, are gonna be for a few birds. Just some news. Have a client or a friend or a customer from Pakistan. That's right, Pakistan. Reached out to me and want to purchase 4 birds for me. So that's some news as well. I've never sold birds internationally before, and I'm surprised that actually someone reached out. And I'll show you outside. It's brutal. All right, so I'll show you guys the birds, and then we're gonna feed the birds. We're gonna go back inside and do a special mix on the feed for the birds on this cold day. And then again, like I said, it's like -4 right now, and it's cold as hell. So let's go ahead and shoot some videos of the birds, and then once we're done shooting those videos, I'll get some feed and let's go inside. All right, we're in the loft. Here's the Namelka hen I got from Joe Namelka. Nice, beautiful dark checker. Ooh. I like that. I like that, Joe. You're watching. I like that fight. Ooh, all right. Yeah, very nice head. This is not from, this is a full sibling, full sister to Joe Namelka's recent winner down at Royal Cup, winner of 17,000. This is down from his, I think it's Goosen, blood on top, onto his Van Morsel Florian Arden 2 on the bottom. Nice tails down. It's not moving, so she's moving a lot. I like that, Joe. Very feisty in the hands. Wants to get out. Beautiful dark checker. Hopefully, I can add a little bit of Namelka's blood to the loft. Feels real nice, Joe. Gonna quarantine her, beef her up a little bit from recover from shipping. Beautiful head, Joe. I like how she's very observant too. Oh yeah, just wants to get out. I like that. Oh yeah. All right, this is a bird from Jonah Milka. I'll find a name for her later on. All right. All right, here's a double grandson of the bulldozer. I wanted this bird too myself, but my buddy here beat me to it. Very nice bird, very nice bird. Double grandson of bulldozer. Very beautiful tail. Very beautiful back and tail. This is very beautiful for a nice double inbred. He has some real bloodshot pearl eyes. I know the lining's not that great, but man, this bird is a beauty. I won't disclose who the bird belongs to, just because I haven't asked him yet, but we will be doing a joint meeting with him. Probably put him to some of my best in the loft, crossing it to some of the best in the loft, and test. I know the bulldozer has done very well for me here, and we'll see how this one can do for me too. Yeah, very beautiful bird. Double grandson bulldozer. All right, so we're inside. I have a good mix of feed here. You know, now that it's really cold, added a lot of corn, safflower, hemp. Should be good to go. Super cold outside, so we're gonna do that. She fat. Love the stuff. Alrighty. Let's use that as my base. Okay, so here we have it. And now some spice. To make everything nice. All right, mix it all up. All right, mix, just make sure everything's kind of all spread out. And we're good as gold. This looks awesome. Everything's all coated. Should be good. Fattening winter mix for a very cold Minnesota day. Back inside, it's really cold here, and I can't stress that enough. As you see, fed the birds. Birds are eating. You know, Joe Namelka, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for the bird. I love the way she handles. I'm just gonna wait for her to eat a little more, drink a little more, and get her weight back. She should be nice handling the bird. And to my friend who sent that bulldozer cock, thank you very much too. Make something work out this year. Thank you for trusting me, getting this bird here, and maybe work out on a very great breeding. And earlier I mentioned fellow client, customer, friend, whoever you want to call it, from Pakistan reached out and bought 4 of my birds. He asked for some of the best, and he paid the asking price, and I sold. I shipping him 2 sons of Turkon and a daughter of Turkon, and another grandson of Turkon. So good luck to you. I'll be shipping those out later on, and like I said earlier, this is the first time anybody internationally reached out and reached out about my blood, my family of birds, and I'm honored. If they do well, great. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for trusting me and my family of birds, and hopefully they can perform for you in Pakistan, my friend. Another update: our club auction is coming up. I am finalizing everything as shortly. It will be on Frank's website, Frank McLaughlin, bestpigeonauction.com, and we'll go live, I think, this weekend. So stay tuned for that, and I'll post the link in the description as well again, just in case you guys missed it. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. 7 Sharp Bells Love here.